Hi, here's a quick tip for you singers when you're singing with somebody who's playing a guitar. Sometimes when you're singing a song, you wish that the key that you're singing the song in could be higher or lower than where the guitar player is set up to play it. So what you need to do is you need to ask your guitar player friend if they have a capo. And if you're a beginning guitar player yourself, it's great to have a capo because say you've learned how to play the song in this shape, a C, this key. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. But you want to sing it higher, or you want your guitar friend to play it higher. They can use this thing called a capo, and they can put it on their guitar, which makes the strings shorter. And capos don't always look exactly like this, but this is my capo. And it makes the strings shorter, and you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. Just like magic, you can sing the song higher. And if you want to actually sing it lower, and your guitar friend is playing in C, they can't capo lower, right? Because the neck is just as long as it is. There's no way to make that longer. But they can play it in a different key, like a lower key, like this. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. But then that might be too low. So what do? They use the capo. And you can put the capo on any of these frets, but I'm going to put it here so you can hear the difference. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. That feels pretty good. It's lower than the original one in the C, in that original shape that they were playing in, the key they were playing in, but it's higher than this would be, than that G would be without the capo. So, and then you might say, I like it, but I want it just a little higher. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. So really easy thing for most guitar players to do. And if you're a beginner, this is super useful to know about because it's easy to do. And if you're a singer and you don't play guitar, but you want to kind of communicate with your guitar player about finding different keys to play songs in that work better for your voice, the word is capo. It's a good word. It's a good thing. Have fun.